Hi students, in the previous class we started how to find LCM, that is least common multiple, by short division method. Today let us see how to find LCM by prime factor method, prime factorization method. Okay, I will explain. See, use prime factor method to find LCM of 18, 24 and 36. So what are the given numbers here? 18, 24 and 36. Right? Now first split the numbers. 18, how do we split? 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Prime factors only you must use. Okay? 24, let us see. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. 36. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Okay? First split them. So 18 equal to, how can I write now? 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 into 3 into 3 can be written as 3 is raised to the power 2, because 2 times repeating. Similarly 24, how can we write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 cube into 3. 2 3 times repeating. 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 is raised to the power 3. Here power 1, here power 1. Okay, nothing. If there is nothing, you can take it as 1. So 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 means 2 square into 3 square. 2 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the power 2. Now, the LCM can be found, least common multiple. Now you have 2's, you see 2's. What is the highest power of 2 here? 2 cube. In 2's, what is the highest? That is 2 cube, right? Here 2 power 1 is there, here 2 power 2 is there, here 2 power 3 is there. What is the highest among all this? 2 cube. Among 3's, what is highest? 3 square, 3 power 1, 3 power 2 means 3 square. Did you understand? So among 3's, what is highest? 3 square. So 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 square means 9. 9 8s are 72. Therefore, LCM of 18, 24 and 36 is 72. That is the way you have to solve it. Did you understand? So look at the next question. See the next question. 18, 24 and 96. Only 96 is changed here. Rest same. 96 is changed. So see the solution. Here 96. Here 96. Problem number 2. Okay. Look at the solution now. So 96 we have to split. 96, how do we write? 3 I am using now. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 6. 2 16s 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now how do we write 96? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 2's. 1 2 3 4 5 means 3 into, how many 2's are there? 5 2's are there. So 2 is raised to the power 5. Among 2's, what is highest? 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 5 means what is the highest among 2's? 2 power 5, that we should take into Among 3's what is highest? 3 square, right? 3 power 1, 3 power 1. So 3 square is the highest. 2 power 5 means we should multiply 2 5 times. Here you see 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2s are okay. So among 2's what is highest? 2 power 5. Among 3's what is highest? 3 square, right? 2 power 5 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 into 3 square value how much? 9. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. So 1 will remain. 9 3s 27 plus 1 28. So 96 is 288. Is that clear? That is the way you have to calculate LCM by prime factorization method. We will see one more problem. Okay. Which question now? Third question. Third question. 100, 150, 200. Some big numbers are there, but no problem. What are the given numbers here? 100, 150, 200. First let us split them. 100. 5 20s 100, 5 4s 20, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Take 150. 5 30s 150, 5 6s are 30, 2 3s are 6. Right? 200. 5 40s, 5 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Okay, let me take 100. 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 means how do we write? 5 into 5, can I write 5 raised to the power 2? 2 into 2, 2 raised to the power 2. 150 can be written as 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. 5 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 1. If there is nothing, consider it as 1. Okay, 200. How do you write? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2 times repeating, 5 raised to the power 2. 2 3 times repeating, 2 raised to the power 3. Now, LCM is equal to, among 5's what is highest? 5 square, 5 square, 5 square. So what is highest there? 5 square only. Okay. Among 2's you see 2 square, 2 power 1, 2 power 3 means 2 power 3 highest. Among 3's what is highest? Only 3 power 1 is there. That you write as it is. Clear? This is 25. 2q means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3. 25 into 24. 25, 24 is how much? 2 2s are 4. 8 plus 10, 18, 20. 0, 0, 6. 600. So what is the LCM of given numbers? Therefore, the LCM of 100, 150, 200 is 600. That is the solution for third question. Let us see fourth question. Fourth question, 14, 21, 98. Fourth solution. What are the given numbers here? 14, 21, 98. Okay. So split them first. 14 means direct 2 sevens are. 21 means 3 sevens are. 98 means 2 fours, 8, 2 nines, 7 sevens. So 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Only 7 2 times repeating here. So 7 raised to the power 2. Now how do you find LCM? Now LCM is equal to, among 2's what is highest here? 2, 2, 2 means only 2 is there into. Among 3's what is highest? 3 only. Among 7's what is highest? 7 square. 2 3's are 6 into 49. $294. Therefore, the LCM of 14, 21 and 98 is 294. Clear? 6 9s are 54, 5 will remain, 6 4s are 24 plus 5, 29. Right? So this is the way of doing the problems. So 4 more problems are there. So this you try yourself, these 4 problems. Okay? Learn and do it perfectly. This 11 table will go. 11 is a prime number. Okay, rest all you can try. Only prime numbers we must use. Prime numbers means already I told you, numbers are said to be prime if they have one and itself as factors. No other factors except one and itself. Remember that. Okay? Thank you.